Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets for Thursday the 24th of April. I'm going to move on to sterling dollar now, and I spoke yesterday about this potential for this bull run tiring, and the challenge of that 68.41 mark that just fell over at 39 a couple of days ago. And yesterday what we did see was that seemed to be the case, where it just sort of backed away and couldn't really gather the strength for that challenge, and theoretically there was a break to a 5-day low below that 67.70 mark. 67.60 was the low yesterday, but I don't think that's necessarily going to be a big breakdown intraday on this chart. I think this is going to be a very messy chart, and I don't see any real decisive move either way. I think it's going to be a period of choppy trading. I think if you look at the momentum indicators, which do look fairly positive, but also fairly tired as well to the upside. So I think with that in mind, I think it could be a fairly choppy period for this cable chart, and I don't see a decisive breakout coming imminently anyway. With that in mind, I think it could be a difficult play in the coming days, because ultimately you do have this big uptrend intact, and you do have this 89-day moving average supporting the key lows on cable. However, it's all the way back at 65.75, and you could even see cable unwinding possibly back towards the low 67 mark, around about the 67 mark, before it regathers its momentum once more. You could see that it could be a drifting period, but I think it's quite a tricky one to call on an intraday basis this at the moment, because it's has been rejecting this 68.41 key resistance there, and I think what we'll see, as I said in the morning report, is a period of sort of choppy sideways trading whilst cable reassesses what is happening. Also, you need to bear in mind that next week is a considerably significant week for the US economy, with huge data releases. You've got GDP, you've got the FOMC, and you've got the non-farm payrolls as well. So huge data releases, which may mean that cable becomes fairly consolidated in front of those data releases, whilst traders choose not to take positions really. So just bear that in mind in the coming days, which I think could result in as I said, choppy trading for cable. And as we've seen today already, a move to the upside has already been rejected back down again. So I think that could be a feature of the coming days. Okay, so I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today. Don't forget you've got the weekly jobs claims at 1:30, and also durable goods to consider. And I will speak to you later. Thank you.